Dickey.
And Professor Dickey. Give it up for MurderNurse! Dude, your number's over right now. Why are you still on my stage? You're like our stage kitten. Alright, well, you know what? I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do to John if he keeps wearing this clothing again. This is delightful! I love my job! I just get to, you're cute. Are you underage too? That's how I like him. If you can't find a man, raise one, ladies. Really? Yeah. Alright, well, let's give it up for MurderNurse, right? Knows stuff. Am I supposed to untie you? I'm supposed to untie you, aren't I? Yeah. Yeah, because you're on stage. I think I just might take my time. Miss M, everybody. Welcome to Geek Girl University. For those of you just coming in, I love it when we have boys in our show. I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna untie you halfway. Just untie you John! You will always be the love of my life, John. You came first. You came first. Alright, I'm gonna leave this gag on. Don't do it? Oh, wait, come on, you guys. We can't have him, like, in the middle of the stage while other performers are coming on. That's just rude. Okay, I love bondage, but I'm not really good at, oh, okay, well, there we go. There we go, okay. I didn't tell you to take that part off, dude. Alright.